Hi laser scanner friends and folks, Eric here from Laser Scanning TV, your resources for the hottest stuff from the laser scanning market. I have found a couple of very interesting news for the June in this year, and if you like to be informed, then stay tuned. So friends in the world, I say world because I know some people looking my stuff different parts of the world like Chile, Brazil, US, UK and Scandinavia and other regions. Let us begin. This in June, there was the Hexagon Live, I think is the name, the biggest Hexagon show in Las Vegas, and there was not gambling there. They had a big stuff to do, and they announced a couple of new products for the laser scan world. And one, I think I mentioned this before, was this Hexagon partner with Sony semiconductor solution to change their reality capture products. And what they are doing there is the Sony developed a time-of-flight image sensor and software. Leica like to combine this technology with their existing BLK product line, and the new product will be the BLK Plus. And this should be together with this proven Grand Slam technology, was this Viz and point slam technology, should be generate a rapid, simple and intuitive first-person scanning method to capture only what you need from your point of view. That's what they say. I think they've also integrated now in mobile phone there. What I show, there is some stuff to see. Early planned is early 2024 is where they like to bring it on the market. I find here also something on this website, some information about it. There's it should be faster handheld laser scanning and is primarily used for short-range indoor application. Also there's some special application that should be easy. What I understand is the data processing is maybe going in their new digital twin solution Reality Cloud Studio software, and then you can let this run as software as a service. But this I'm not sure. This is something what I put from the information what I saw together. Yeah, let us move forward. Like they have this studio stuff, and there's also some other stuff what they present there on this show. Then next we come here to Matterport. They announced Genesis. This is an AI initiative program or a solution where buildings are designed, built and managed better. That's what they like to offer based on their data, what they can take with their Matterport solution. And this is a kind of an AI technology. I think they have a patent on this, and they're working together with Cortex AA in property intelligence. So this two technology, and they say that they have 30 billion square feet measure, and now they can use it. The application should be internal design and space utilizations, design, construction, energy efficiency, and maintenance, repair of safety and security. I think there is some, if you like to see it here, there is some. There's also some website where you can have more information to this, and I like to start here YouTube video that you can see what you like to see. They say if you have a data set and you can ask them how I can change my layout in my house, my furnitures. They take them out, and then the existing, they take them out, and you can change, you won't have another look. And the system automatic generates here new items, new furnitures, where you can change the style of your house. That's just like it should be work, the idea behind them. Then on the next slide, sorry guys, it's only in German here, but Artec announced the new Artec Ray. So I had to change to the site from Artec. We have here a new scanner for some people there in the industry. They say, maybe the design I know. I think it's for you expert here on the channel. It's definitely an OEM version of an Leica RTC scanner. Price is not given yet, but I saw something, maybe 60,000 or around maybe $65,000, but I'm not sure. And the idea is you can scan with this scanner, what is from half meter to 130 meters. This is around 2 millimeters accuracy. You see here the parameters, what we have here inside, and then from that you can run this in Artec Studio, and then you can combine these large-scale scan data from this scanner together with the handheld scanner from like an Artec Leo. That's the idea what they have. You see. And then you can collect this with. I see it here with some handheld data and capture a full project out of this. I don't know how it's going for Artec, because definitely from the specification it is not damn accurate like the old Artec Ray 1, because there was 0.5 millimeters and had maybe a couple of times better noise. This is the new solution from Artec. Also if you like more information, check out the Artec website. Then we have an information from company Riegl. They like to inform the customer, and we should spread this information out in the world, that they have buy a new aircraft for testing their airborne sensors. They have now bought from Diamond Aircraft Austria and what is the name, a DE62 Survey Star. I think it's special developed airplane together with Riegl, only for survey application. You can put the sensor in the nose of this airplane, what I understand and what I have seen in the past. And they have now this new airplane for testing and calibration of their future and existing airborne sensors from Riegl. Then another information from software side, we have Pix4D. They open and announced their Meet OPF. This is the Open Photogrammetry Format is the name. And this is the kind of the PDF for photogrammetry. They generate this format, and this inputs all information like camera, used camera, their parameters, coordinate reference system, control points, scale, and more. And then you can change it with other programs. Who is the customer group for this? Is like in academic context, like researcher, they're able to use this in their own projects and own research, therefore research for own research project or their own development, and then also for third-party users. You can download this and then get some information from GitHub. Also for the guys in the photogrammetry market, that's maybe your information. Then we have another solution that's coming here from the company TechNet. Is this German company who developed a very good registration software for different kind of scanners. And here we have the release notes. Oh, that's a very big one. But I can tell you shortly what they are doing before you have to read all these new stuff. It's quite new, the information. Yes, from end of this month. There was some missing item. Scantra was working mostly on points and objects, and objects very often more like plans. Like they use fitting plans and then make adjustment over the plans and other objects. Now they have a new object type inside checkerboard targets. Yeah, you will loving, but it's new for them. And one more bigger information, they have also included now a cloud-to-cloud application. If you're using Scantra outside and you don't have objects, or you can fit planes because maybe you have some electric installation, like some poles or like a steel construction, and this in a green field, you don't have enough 3D elements to generate their maybe plans from that, then you can use the cloud-to-cloud application. As now you have more application, and the other one they have, I think now a full integration for Faro Scanner. If you Faro Scanner user and you like to improve your registration from large-scale project, then maybe Scantra is a good solution for you. We like it. We use it also in our service team here. It really gives us super results and also improve in our registration process and make them very fast. So then we go to our web shop. We have there some AESUBdots, also for guys using a handheld scanner, need some dots here, some dots in our shop. You can order it. Then some more information. There's also a shoulder pad for BLK2 available, and also for the GeoSlam scanner. And then we have finally we are done with all the news. Only one news in the end. Like our company, we are having this handheld scanner application, and we are a long time also partnering in motorsports, and we have customers like Matterport Racing, who is a Porsche customer, motorsports, or the AMG, or these some of the Mercedes racing. And we also in ourselves in motor racing sports, and this here we also supporting a French rider, and he was losing one of his main sponsors and one start in one class on the famous Isle of Man TT racing, and he asked if he can help him with his other sponsors to make it happen to start in this twin class. And we go in this project. We built a short team, the Laser Scanning Europe Vast Engine Racing team. And yeah, and then we had this very great bike with a great rider and some luck. And finally we go on podium with this bike. We win the Isle of Man TT race. Pierre Ibiang, the racer, he win it. And you can see it here in the video. He was the first ever French rider who can go on podium on this very famous motorcycle race. He is now like a sports hero in the French motorcycle racing community. You can see it here. The fans was total flipping out. It was a big achievement. We have also a very good small video. We can link it. You can see some impression. And with this big success, and you see him, he is riding together in other classes with his famous rider Peter Hickman from UK. If you would like to be more nice information, more success, then maybe you watch the next series from the Laser Scanner News. I say bye-bye, and if you leave a comment, if you like my channel, if you subscribe to the channel, if you tell all your friends that there is a very, very nice channel, then I'm very happy. Yeah, bye-bye, Eric.